Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to edit a video in iMovie in your Mac. So first what you have to do is open the iMovie application which is found on your Mac applications. So just press the iMovie application button. So once you press, the iMovie screen is open. So once this is open, you need to create a new project. So by pressing the create new, in that you can choose whatever you want. Either you want to create a movie or a trailer. In this I am going to demonstrate how to create a short video or short movie. Okay, so now the screen is ready for editing. Now we need to import the video clips. So you can directly import it from your uh, iMovie library if you have stored any videos, or you can directly import it from any of your devices. If you have stored the clips in external device, you can directly import it. In this video I have stored some of the clips on my desktop, so I am just dragging it from my desktop. So just drag it and drop it on the editing board. So once it is on your editing board, now you can start playing with the editing tools. So you can just increase the size and decrease the size by just moving this cursor. So if you press the right button, you can find all these options. So you can see play, cut, copy, delete, split, add freezing frames, deattach audio, all these things. So the same options you can find if you press the modify button. So you can see split screen. So if you press that, it will cut the clips. Okay, so if you want to deattach the audio, you need to press the deattach audio. So the audio will be deattached. In this video I am going to remove all the audios. Okay, I don't require any audio because I'll be importing an music here. So these are the transition you can find in the iMovies. There are so many transitions you can use between each clips wherever is required as per the requirements. Okay, so I am just showing you how to put the transitions. So yeah, if you press the background, you will be getting some ready templates, so you can use it wherever is required. Suppose like if you want any background template in the beginning, you can just drag it and drop it. So now this is how you need to press if you need to put any title, just press the title button there. There are so many options. You can just drag it and drop it on wherever you need the title. Okay, and in the meantime you can just select different fonts, whatever fonts you require, and even the size, color, and all those things. So now the most important thing in editing, that is adding the audio. There are so many audio files in the iMovie library which is present already, so you can use those if it is required in your video, or you can import the audio files directly from your laptop wherever you are stored. In this video I am going to take some music from my external device which I have stored. So just drag it and drop it just below the clip. So you can just place the music wherever is relevant, and you can just drag it for chopping it, or you can just split it as you split the video clip by pressing the audio file and just pressing the split button. So once the audio is added and all other things are already done, now the video is ready. So if you want to do any color corrections, you can do the color corrections. You can see those tabs found at the top of right hand side of your editing clipboard. So you can increase the brightness, you can decrease the brightness. So this is the option for cropping. You can just point on the video, and if you press the cropping button, you can just crop it, or there are a couple of other options also in the cropping. So this is the Kanban cropping option, where you can set the start and the end point wherever you want to crop. So in the meantime, you can slow down the clip. You can customize it by fastening the clip, or you can freeze the frame if required. Also, you can match skin tone, you can adjust the white balance, and you can match the color with any other clips if required. I will show you in another video how to use all these tools. Okay, so and if you want, you can undo the changes like whatever you have done by pressing the edit and undoing it. So there are so many options available. If you want to change it to the ready preset colors, so you just need to press it by selecting the clip, and the colors will change accordingly. Okay, and also if there is any shaky video, you can stabilize the shaky video. So these are some of the options what you can see in iMovie. So now it is time to export the video. On right hand side top corner, you can see the export button. So by clicking that button, you can decide where to save. You need to directly export it to YouTube or Facebook or external device or on the desktop. So I am exporting it as an 540p where the file size will be less, and yeah, I'm going to save it on my uh, desktop. So here you can see it is exporting. So it is taking couple of minutes. If it is 4K, it will take more time. Since it is a less size file, it will take lesser time. So once it is done, it will be saved on my desktop. So by now, hope you are familiar with iMovie editing. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys.